While Wisconsin already has a ban on discrimination based on sexual orientation, advocates say it did not extend to people who are transgender. Mary Jo Ola has local reaction to this landmark ruling.
During Pride Month, where celebrations were canceled due to the pandemic, the LGBTQ community witnessed a milestone Monday morning.
No longer can you be married on a Friday and fired on Monday for who you love and who you are.
Jason Ray is president and CEO of the Wisconsin LGBT Chamber of Commerce.
Before this, you had a patchwork of laws state by state. So what might be the law here in Wisconsin was different than the law in Alabama. So now our companies and businesses across the country have a uniform set of rules saying very clearly that Title VII of the U.S. Civil Rights Act prohibits discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity and expression.
Advocates say while Wisconsin was at the forefront to protect against sexual orientation discrimination, the Supreme Court's ruling broadens protections for the transgender community.
I was ecstatic. This is a huge victory for LGBTQ equality and rights across this nation.
Tony Snell is vice chair of Milwaukee's Equal Rights Commission and a board member of the Milwaukee LGBT Community Center. He believes the landmark ruling will empower people in the LGBTQ community.
Most definitely. I would tell people out there, this is the time. If you feel that you've been discriminated against, that you've been wronged or hurt, it is time to come forward.
As the fight for LGBTQ rights goes on, advocates say this ruling gives them hope for the future. In Milwaukee, Mary Jo Ola, TMJ4 News.